In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey using Google Forms. Google Forms is a versatile tool that can help you easily collect information from your audience, whether for feedback, research, or academic purposes. So let's get started by exploring the process step by step to make sure you can follow along with ease. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Forms. You can do this by typing Google Forms into your search engine and clicking on the link, or by going directly to forms.google.com. This page is your gateway to creating online surveys, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so now. You'll see a few template options on the main page. If any of these suit your needs, feel free to use one to save time. Otherwise, click on the blank template to start from scratch. This blank slate will serve as the foundation for your custom survey. Now that you're on the form editor page, it's time to give your survey a title and description. This information will help your respondents understand the purpose of the survey. Keep the title concise but informative and use the description to offer more context or instructions. Next, let's dive into creating the first question of your survey. Click on the space that says Untitled Question and enter your question text. Google Forms automatically defaults to a multiple choice question format. If this suits your survey, you can start entering options. However, if you need a different format, click on the drop-down menu next to the question field. Here, you'll find options such as short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, and more. Choose the format that best suits your question type. If you'd like to add more questions, simply click the plus sign on the vertical toolbar to your right. This will create a new question below your current one, allowing you to continue building your survey with ease. As you add questions, experiment with the different question types to suit your needs, such as using a linear scale for satisfaction ratings or a date picker for scheduling. Once all your questions are in place, it's crucial to configure your survey settings. Click on the gear icon at the top of the page to adjust response collection options, such as limiting responses to one per person or collecting email addresses. These settings will help ensure you gather the right data and manage it effectively. Finally, once you're happy with your survey, send it out by clicking the Send button in the upper right corner. You can share it via email, link, or even embed it into a website. Make sure to review your survey one last time before distribution to ensure it's clear and complete. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Google Form survey. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to refine your skills and explore the many features Google Forms offers. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide proved helpful.